Describe a movie. I recently watched the movie Avengers: Endgame. It is an action and superhero movie, and it tells the story of the Avengers working together to undo the damage caused by Thanos and save the universe. I enjoyed watching it because the actors did a great job, and the story was exciting and emotional. My favorite part of the movie was when all the superheroes came together for the final battle against Thanos. I would recommend this movie to my friends, especially if they enjoy action and superhero films. What movie did you watch recently? I watched Avengers: Endgame. Did you watch a movie recently? Yes, I did. When did you watch Avengers: Endgame? I watched it recently. Did I watch Avengers: Endgame recently? Yes, you did. Did you watch Titanic recently? No, I didn't. Who watched Avengers: Endgame recently? I did. Have you ever watched Avengers: Endgame? Yes, I have. What kind of movie is it? It is an action and superhero movie. Is it a comedy movie? No, it isn't. Is it an action movie? Yes, it is. Is Avengers: Endgame a superhero movie? Yes, it is. What is Avengers: Endgame? It's an action and superhero movie. Is it a horror movie? No, it's not. Do you like superhero movies? Yes, I do. What does the movie tell? It tells the story of the Avengers. Do the Avengers work together in the story? Yes, they do. Who caused the damage in the story? Thanos did. Did Thanos save the universe? No, he didn't. Why do the Avengers work together? To undo the damage and save the universe. Do you think the Avengers saved the universe? Yes, I think they did. Does the movie show the Avengers fighting Thanos? Yes, it does. Did you enjoy the movie? Yes, I did. Why did you enjoy watching it? Because the actors did a great job. Did the actors do a bad job? No, they didn't. Did I enjoy the movie? Yes, you did. Who did a great job in the movie? The actors did. Did you enjoy watching Avengers: Endgame? Yes, I did. Was the acting good? Yes, it was. What was the story like? It was exciting and emotional. Was the story boring? No, it wasn't. Was the story emotional? Yes, it was. Was it an exciting movie? Yes, it was. Did I think the story was emotional? Yes, you did. How was the story? It was exciting and emotional. Did you enjoy the emotional story? Yes, I did. What was your favorite part of the movie? When all the superheroes came together. Did the superheroes fight Thanos? Yes, they did. Who came together in the final battle? All the superheroes. Was the final battle your favorite part? Yes, it was. Did I like the final battle? Yes, you did. Who did they fight in the final battle? They fought Thanos. Was the final battle exciting? Yes, it was. Would you recommend this movie? Yes, I would. Who would you recommend this movie to? My friends. Do your friends like action movies? Yes, they do. Would I recommend the movie? Yes, you would. Why would you recommend this movie? Because it's exciting and full of superheroes. Do you think your friends would enjoy this movie? Yes, I do. What kind of people would like this movie? People who enjoy action and superhero films.